Making chicken pasta is a delicious and simple process. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients. 1. 8 ounces, about 225 grams, of pasta, such as penne, fettuccine, or spaghetti. 2. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. 3. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 4. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 5. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 6. 1/2 cup chicken broth. 7. 1/2 cup heavy cream or half and half. 8. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 9. 1 teaspoon dried Italian herbs, such as oregano, basil, and thyme. 10. Salt and pepper to taste. 11. Fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Instructions. Cook the pasta. 1. Boil a large pot of salted water and cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. 2. Drain and set aside. Cook the chicken. 1. Season the chicken pieces with salt and pepper. 2. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium-high heat. 3. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they are browned and cooked through, about 4-6 minutes per side. 3. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. Prepare the sauce. 1. In the same skillet, add a bit more olive oil if needed and sauté the minced garlic for about 1 minute until fragrant. 2. Add the halved cherry tomatoes and cook for another 2-3 minutes until they start to soften. Make the cream sauce. 1. Pour in the chicken broth and let it simmer for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. 2. Reduce the heat to medium-low and add the heavy cream or half and half. 2. Stir to combine. Combine chicken, pasta, and sauce. 1. Add the cooked chicken back to the skillet and sprinkle the dried Italian herbs over the mixture. 2. Gradually add the grated Parmesan cheese, stirring continuously to melt the cheese into the sauce. Final assembly. 1. Toss in the cooked pasta and gently combine everything to coat the pasta with the creamy sauce. 2. If the sauce is too thick, you can add a splash of chicken broth or pasta cooking water to achieve your desired consistency. 3. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Serve. 1. Garnish with chopped fresh parsley for a burst of color and added flavor. Enjoy. 1. Serve your delicious chicken pasta immediately while it's still warm. Feel free to customize this recipe by adding vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, or bell peppers, and adjusting the seasonings to suit your taste. This recipe serves as a basic guideline, so don't hesitate to get creative and make it your own.